Hey guys, today I thought I would show you a video of what I'm calling the accidental pumpkin. So in the front here, where we've only had flowers and things before, I actually had a pumpkin last year that we set in this pot. It ended up rotting, spilling out the seeds, and the seeds sprouted in there. So I thought, well, I'll pull out the seeds, and I didn't have another good place in the back. So I went ahead and put them in here. And as you can see, I've got stuff growing here. So I've got some right there. This is probably the biggest one. They don't get real big. I think they're like a sugar pumpkin. Maybe they're smaller. They're perfect for making pies. That's what we bought them for last year. So anyway, and I'm not sure what's going on here, but this one is yellow instead. And even another one is sprouting there. So anyway, just thought I would share that with you. Have a great day.